Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Moni, and if you've been here before, hi. It's been a very long time since I made a video and I'm so sorry about that, but I am back. I have a new camera. We're filming in my bedroom. You've never seen this room before. Last time I filmed in my living room, but yeah, I'm back. And the reason I'm back is because Torrid has done it, guys. They've had an amazing sale going on and they kept taunting me and they're like, buy things, buy this, you need this. And I was like, I do. So I got some goodies that I want to share with you guys. So let's just dive into it, shall we? So one of the first things I picked up, because I have a very exciting summer vacation planned with my boyfriend, and we're going to Gatlinburg, which if you've never been, it's settled in the Smoky Mountains and it's just my home away from home. It's so peaceful and relaxing. And I thought I would treat myself to a dainty, cute floral dress. I love it. Okay, one, I love the color. Like, it's pink and vibrant. And oh, you know what's so funny? I thought these were flowers, but it's actually like a subtle little cheetah print. But I love the button details. And then you could wear this off the shoulder if you really wanted to, or do like a cap sleeve. And oh, it's like the perfect length. Torrid has been doing a lot of, they'll call them mini dresses. They're just above the knee, which is nice, just in case you want to like flirt it up a little bit. And then in the summer, especially in the month of July, it gets hot, and last thing you want to do is be sweaty. So I thought this would be a cute little number, and one little hack you could do, if you're not comfortable wearing heels or showing off your feet, you could wear these with sneakers, guys. I kid you not, I've done it before. There's no wrong to it. Your feet gotta be comfortable, and I'll show you why, because I bought some amazing shoes at Torrid. But I thought this would be so cute for like cute little date night, or even hanging out with friends in the summer. I love this. Oh, if I didn't mention, I got this size in the 3X, just because sometimes with Torrid dresses, if they don't have the stretchy back, you might want to size up just a little depending on the fabric. And I know how this fabric is. When you wash it and you dry it, it shrinks just a tiny bit, But I got a 3X in this. And then, so something I've never done with Torrid, I looked at their sandals because I'm fed up with shoes that don't fit me no more. I'm fed up. I have wide feet, and in the summer my feet tend to swell up a little bit because, you know, I'm a big girl and it's hot. So I wanted some really comfortable shoes, but I also wanted some practical shoes. And they have the cutest sandals. So I like this type of sandal. You know what I'm talking about. They usually come in the really ugly pattern that kind of give you grandma vibes, but they're comfortable, okay? And they're practical, and you can do a lot. You can go walk in the mall, you could go walk on the trail, and you don't have to worry about stubbing your toe. And I love what they did with this. They did a nice, cute, neutral design. You have a little buckle here, and they're both Velcro. So all my wide-toed women out there, girl, this will fit you, because I have wide feet, and just like this, at the bare minimum, fits me perfectly. If you have wider feet, you can even extend it even more. Now, you see, the issue is they released these shoes in other colors, and if you know me, I bought them all. So this is your standard white. I also picked it up in black, because why not? Hello. What I love about this, like that dress I just showed you, you can easily wear these with them and you have no issue. Picked it in black, and you think we'd be done there, but we're not. I also picked in this beautiful tan color. I love wearing tan shoes because I feel like it can help elongate your feet, and it's also like you don't have to worry about matching, because if it matches your skin tone, it'll be fine. Oh, but these are so nice, and they're not heavy, because I've had other sandals too, like you just like throw in the pick. They have a little weight to them, but they're so doable. And like, did I mention arch supports? Thank you. I have arches in my feet, and it's very hard when in the summer, if I'm wearing flip-flops, there's absolutely no support. This has support. It hugs my feet, my big old duck feet, and I love them. And they weren't that expensive either. Like, another tip with Torrid, wait for a sale, search for a coupon because there's one out there. And Torrid has done a really great job over the years of making sure to have like affordable deals. They'll either have a sale or they'll have coupons. So just look for it. It's there. Currently, I think they're doing Torrid Cash. And let me tell you guys, I bought, this were 2 separate orders. The first order I bought like maybe 50 bucks worth. And then they sent me so many bogus Torrid Cash. It's insane. I have so many I don't even know what to do with. So speaking of summer, I love, and I've never thought I would be a 2-piece galley. Okay, I thought I was always gonna be the 1-piece swimsuit kind of girl. No 2 pieces, no belly button out there, no belly skin coming. You crazy? But with my boyfriend's support and love and everything, I've gotten really comfortable wearing 2 pieces. So I was like, you know what? I have every right to be comfortable in summer. Also, why do I have to sweat? Why do I have to suffer? You know, I look good. What can I say? Do it now because you're gonna lose your opportunity. Wear that 2-piece, girl. So I did it. So the other 2 pieces I've had before, they covered a lot of like my shoulders and my back because the sun does not like me. I burn. Oh my God, I burn. No matter how much SPF I wear, my skin burns. But the hotel that we're staying at actually has an indoor pool, like this amazing indoor pool. Also, side note, I will be vlogging, so subscribe if you want to see that vlog, because I'm gonna vlog my vacation for sure, and some other things before that. But yeah, subscribe. So this is a lot of exposure for me. Also, my gals, my tatas, right? They're not that big. I'm a big girl, but I was not blessed with the honkers, but I got some, and this fits nice. Even if you had a very large chest, I think this would fit you more than enough because there's coverage on the sides, and it's such a long, you see, you'll be covered, and there's pads and no wires. So if you're, don't like the wires poking you, don't worry, there's none in here. And it covers me, and I feel so supported. And I'm sorry, this print, so me. And they have matching bottoms, and this is the reason why I love their 2 pieces. I don't feel quite comfortable with the briefs quite yet, but they have skirts. I can do a skirt. I love skirts. I practically live in dresses and skirts. If you guys have been in my channel here for a while, you know I love my dresses and my skirts. So they actually have a swim skirt. Are you kidding me? And before you ask, yes, there are built-in briefs in it. But I also think this is so flattering for my shape because I'm not quite hippie, So this gives the illusion that I have hips and waist. So I thought this was super cute and adorbs. Now, a lesson I've learned, because I never used to be like the cover-up girl or like wear a covered dress over my swimsuits. I always thought I was like, eh. But I learned from last year, staying in a hotel, walking around the hotel, getting back to my room after being in the pool, it's kind of uncomfortable when you're just out with your bits soaking wet for the people to see. So I needed some coverage. Now, luckily, they sell a matching kimono. Where have I been? I've needed this for the longest time because it gives you just enough coverage, and like you put it on, you wrap it around, you're not gonna be freezing cold, you're gonna be discreet, no one's gonna look at you like why is the wet dog in the lobby? Okay? Save yourself that trouble. I got me a matching kimono. I love it. Also, if you have a swimsuit that doesn't match, it's fine because you're just gonna cover yourself anyways. I needed this such a long time ago. Okay, next. Since we just got off the topic of my tatas, I bought a new bra. Finally. It's very important to have a good supportive bra, and I love Torrid's push-up bras. They do it for me, honey. They make my itty bits look real nice and luscious, and I pick a fun color. I thought since it was summertime, might as well do like the vibrant, cute little coral color. What is this one? This one's called the XO Boost Plunge, which is perfect because if you have a low cut shirt, it's not gonna get in between. I also love the straps here. One, it's pretty freaking cute. Secondly, I actually think it adds a lot of support of making sure the girls are stayed together and sucked in. And look, and I love these bras because they actually have extra coverage in the back. So if you got some rolls and some back fat, like everybody does, this will be a holy grail for you. So comfortable. Also, the bras go on sale quite a bit, especially if you purchase like more than one. So if you ever want to give them a try, go ahead. I also think in store they provide bra fittings. So if you're iffy of like what size you are, because I think a lot of women are wearing the wrong size bra, they can help you out with that. And let me tell you, every time I've been in a Torrid store, I've had the most wonderful experience. Everyone was so happy and kind and actually helpful. Like if there's something in the store you see you don't like, they can more than easily help you find it online. And sometimes they'll even help you with like deals. So just a tip. Let's get on to shorts, okay? I have a million shorts. I don't like wearing jean shorts in the summer because I just sweat. I like more of like the linen shorts or skirts or stuff like that. But there have been times where the weather is poo-poo caca outside, like you know what I'm talking about. Like it's raining or those really random like chilly nights. I got me some Bermuda shorts because one of my favorite things from Torrid is their bombshell skinny jeans. So good because they have this smooth paneling, which these Bermuda shorts have. You see this panel right here? This will smooth out your muffin top like a cake, honey. Like just, it's, and you don't have to wear extra shapewear or anything. It just makes you look so good. It makes the butt look good. I also love the wash. I'm pretty sure this comes in different colors as well. So good. And I washed the jeans a million times. They never fade like disgustingly. I need a good pair of these because there are gonna be those nights where it's like maybe a little buggy, or for me it's always when it's a rainy sunny day, like in the summer, and I'm like, I kind of need something that's gonna withstand, like stand up to the weather. These are perfect. So comfy. Hey guys, that was all. I did some damage and I can't tell you the hundreds of dollars of Torrid cash I still have in my account. It's kind of insane. But if you have any questions or want links to any of the items, they will be down below in the description, or drop me a comment. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You will be seeing me, I promise. No more empty promises. I will be back, guys. I promise. But I miss you, and thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you again later.